Hello, this is Jamie with Creations Misfit, and today I'm going to show you how to do a cluster stitch. So I'm already working in my project here. I made these mug rugs, which I use the cluster stitch in, and you could use this for obviously any pattern that calls for the cluster. So what you're going to do is go in like it's a regular double crochet. You're going to start out like that. So you yarn over and you go into your stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now we're going to yarn over and pull through two, and then instead of pulling through the two again for a double crochet, we're going to yarn over and go back into that very same stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You have 4 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through 2. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to do this one more time. Yarn over and go into the very same stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You now have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. You'll have 4 loops on your hook, and then you yarn over and pull through all 4. And mostly you always do a chain after to close up your cluster. Now some cluster stitches will call for you to only do this twice, and some will call for you to do 4 times, but I'm just showing you 3. So let's do it one more time. So let's say we have another cluster next. You're going to yarn over, go into your stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and go back into the same stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, 4 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2, and then we're going to repeat it one more time. Yarn over, go into the same stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, 5 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2, 4 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 4, and then chain to close it. So that's how you do the cluster stitch. If you'd like this bug rug pattern, I will put a link in the description box below, and I will also put the video up here where you can just click on it. It's a very easy pattern. It uses single crochets and cluster stitches. So I hope you have a great day. Also, please feel free to subscribe, like the video, check out my other videos. I have a lot of stitch videos, but also a lot of patterns up as well. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.